In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal checkout in Shopify Sense theme. The great news is that PayPal works independently of your theme, so whether you're using Sense or any other Shopify theme, the setup happens entirely in your Shopify payment settings. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can start accepting PayPal without touching your theme code. First, log into your Shopify admin and open Settings. You'll find it in the lower left corner of your dashboard. From there, click Payments. This is the control center for everything related to how your store accepts money, and it's exactly where PayPal is configured. On the Payments page, look for the PayPal section. Depending on your region and account, it may be labeled PayPal, PayPal Express, or PayPal Checkout. Shopify often displays a Ready to Connect option here, and this is where you'll activate the integration. Click the button that says Activate, Connect, or Manage next to PayPal. Shopify will redirect you to PayPal in a secure window. Sign in with your PayPal account. A PayPal business account is typically recommended for selling online because it unlocks seller features and broader payment support, though in some regions a personal account may be available. Once you're signed in, follow the prompts to grant Shopify permission to process payments through your PayPal account. This step links the two platforms so your customers can pay with PayPal and you receive funds in your PayPal account. When PayPal confirms the connection, return to Shopify and make sure you save your settings on the Payments page. After saving, PayPal Express Checkout is enabled. From this point on, shoppers will see PayPal as a checkout option alongside credit cards, Shop Pay, and others. In many stores, customers may also see a PayPal button appear earlier in the flow, like on the cart or product page, if you're using dynamic checkout buttons in your theme. Sense fully supports this behavior because it's controlled by Shopify, not by individual theme code. If you don't see PayPal right away, give the page a refresh or try an incognito window to avoid cached results. Also, make sure your PayPal account is fully verified and supports your store's country and currency, as regional settings can affect availability. That's all it takes. You've connected PayPal through Shopify's payment settings, and your Sense theme store is ready to accept PayPal with no additional theme changes required. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.